What are y'all doing? Ah, yes. Act like it's a fucking petting zoo. For everyone to see! The dude with the missing kid! Unless you got info about baby boy Shaun, get off my doorstep.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone.
This
They
again?
searched and called for them. They cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
What? 004? A lottery ticket. Those
I
bananas.
have to get out of here and find out what this ticket is about.
Mr. Mars, a few words. Mr. Mars.
Goddamn reporters. They've been camped outside my house all day.
That's who that is? Leave.
Mr. Mars, can you confirm that your son has disappeared?
Do you think the origami
Mr.
killer
Mars.
kidnapped him?
Get another car.
Mr. Mars, did your son
I'm going to walk straight to that car without
Mr.
stopping on the
Are
way.
you worried your son might
Mr.
be
Mars,
dead?
do you suspect anyone, Mr. Mars?
Do you know
Where the fuck is my car?
You lost your son in the park. Mr. Mars, can you confirm that your son has disappeared? Do you think your son is still alive?
That's not how you get quotes for your story, dude. I haven't had a single class that's taught you to get quotes that way. Some sad-ass excuse of reporters, bro. Not how you hound of an actual, like, victim. His son's fucking missing. No. Where am I at? This ain't the mall again, is it? What's happening?
Gonna have to make it through the crowd. I
Oh.
can't take crowds. Just can't handle it.
Am I getting even slower?
I can't make it. Too many people. Too many people.
Huh? Some Life is Strange shit. Huh?
Dad!
Nah. I didn't know this game was gonna be supernatural. So. Oh, not supernatural, just
Where are you?
PTSD.
Jason!
Dad!
Jason!
Fuck, I'm running into everybody. Could you imagine how many people in real time he's just bulldozing?
Jason!
Oh my god, move! Yeah, what is this? What is really happening? What's going on? You look up and you're surrounded by security. Back up. He can't handle crowds. I wonder if he has like agoraphobia.
Line 18, box number 3.
Okay, 18. It's not 18. 18's... Oh my god, stop moving. Those made me sick. What? Who the fuck is 18 at then? Oh. Okay. Why am I looking around? I have the code for it. Act like I just broke into it or something. Shoes? Oh, this looks like what I got from the dude from the supermart or whatever the fuck. The gas station. Oh, don't open it for my sake. No. I don't want to see what's in there. I got a motel. Lucky locker. This chair is fucking uncomfortable. Okay. Oh, you see what's like an indication of anxiety in this game? What is it? Looks like an SD card, a camera, a lizard. Oh, a couple of things. And a gun? That kind of looks like the gun from Shelby's chapter. At what point in time do you involve the police? What is that? I thought it was a bear when I first saw it. Oh, he's undoing it. You're prepared to show courage to save your son. Joe's garage and parking lot, 94988 Roosevelt Avenue, Lexington. Okay. He said, do you have courage? And they gave me a Glock, bro. Yeah! And when I pull up with this, let me chill.
Help! Dad,
Shaun.
where are you? I'm so cold.
A drain?
Dad! Dad!
Oh, this dude is sick, bro. How far are you prepared to go to save someone you love? Who is this, Jigsaw? Five origami figures. Each figure is a trial. Each trial provides letters. The letters reveal an address. Okay. Ow. Have you ever used a gun before? Bro was more likely to shoot off his own goddamn foot. Oh, that's where... Okay. I didn't realize that's where I was... That's gonna get found expeditiously. Okay, back to the cop.
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He doesn't act on impulse, but plans his crimes in a very meticulous fashion.
Yep.
He doesn't have anything personal against the victims. That's why he covers their faces with mud, to make them anonymous.
Why does he kill them if he doesn't have anything against them?
Send a message?
For him, they're more of an image, a symbol. That's probably why he gives them an origami figure and an orchid as gifts, to apologize for what he's done to them.
Very interesting. And where does all that get us?
The best way of tracking a predator is to be familiar with his behavior.
I could have just snapped on bro right there.
That may be true in novels, but there's a child's life at stake here.
Continue, Jaden.
I'm like, okay.
Then I studied the geographical distribution of the murders. Generally, a killer commits his first murder near to where he lives, so he has a safe place to flee to if any complications arise. The
Okay.
more confident he becomes, the further he roams from his base. By analyzing the locations where the victims disappeared, I was able to isolate a zone where the killer might live.
And what size is this, zone?
I'm pressing the clicker.
For the moment, about 10 square mile.
Oh, great. Must be 10,000 people live in that sort of area. You gonna question them one by one?
I'm sorry. What have you brought to the case so far? Where does this leave us? How about you go out there and go find some shit then? I'm debriefing you, and all you have to say is bullshit, bro. I'm gonna stay
The more
calm.
clues we get, the more we can reduce the zone. We
This
can
dude
then
gives me a
cross-check
calm
it with our
vibe, so I'll
list
stay
of
calm.
suspects and identify the killer.
Jaden is his name.
One detail attracted my attention. The interval between the time when a victim disappears and the time when the body is found ranges from 3 to 5 days. But the rainfall is always at 6 inches, give or take 10%.
What on earth does that mean?
All the victims were drowned in rainwater. The killer kills only in the fall when there is plenty of rain. It could be that he puts them in some sort of well or tank that is open to the skies and that fills up with rainwater. The more it rains, the less time the victim has to live.
So what's next?
Oh.
There are 2 suspects whose psychological profile might fit and can be connected to the comfort zone. I'd like to question them.
Okay. 2?
Damn it. We're wasting our time with this bullshit. The killer's out there somewhere, and we gotta get off our asses and find him.
Me looking for who asked you.
The killer is no ordinary murderer. He is intelligent, organized, and methodical. You won't find him by patrolling the streets.
Tell me, Agent Jaden, did you get your vast experience on the job, or did you just fucking read about it in some school book?
I came here to find a killer. And that is exactly what I'm gonna do. With or without your help.
Fucking asshole!
That's enough!
He snapped for what?
You said it took 6 inches of rainfall before the victim died. How much time do we have left?
If the weather forecasts are right, less than 72 hours.
Look at him looking at me getting pissed like I'm the one who put the child in a little fucking drainage pipe or something. What is this for?
No answer. We waste our time coming here.
Maybe we should have a little look inside anyway.
There's nobody home.
It's illegal.
There is now.
I'm not sure that's entirely legal.
Call the cops.
Call the cops. If you obtain evidence illegally, you can't arrest the suspect on it. Fuck this court case before it goes to fucking trial, bro. Why not? Whoa.
Looks like Nathaniel Williams is a pretty religious guy.
He's a God-fearing idiot, waiting for the end of the world. We questioned him a few months back because he was causing a disturbance in the park. He was ranting and raving. Said he heard voices. Had this idea in his sick little head that I was the Antichrist. I'd come to Earth to persecute him. Real twisted.
Real devoted, I guess. Ladies, stay away from men with mattresses on the floor. Whoa. Bro looks like me. Okay. More pills. Multivitamins. For what? What could you possibly... Bro probably needs all them vitamins, all them pills. Deficient in absolutely everything. More... Dude. This isn't a case of chronic illness. This looks more like... addiction, bro. What did I just look at that for?
All the signs of a mystical obsessive neurosis compounded by a persecution complex. The guy's taking a break from reality, holed up here in this crazy apartment. You don't have to be a profiler to see he's not a killer. We're wasting our time here. It's stifling in here. Those windows haven't been opened in years.
Oh, I thought that was me. Howdy.
Good timing, Nathaniel. Just the man we're looking for.
Nathaniel.
Angels and ministers of grace defend us.
I'm Agent Norman Jaden, FBI. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
As God is my witness, I haven't done anything. I'm innocent.
Relax. Nobody's accusing you of anything. We just want to talk. Why all the crucifixes? You afraid of something?
The hour is nigh, and the wrath of God shall strike men down. I'm preparing for the end of the world.
Okay.
Where do you work, Nathaniel? Do you have a job?
My sole occupation is praying to the all-merciful Lord for the salvation of humanity.
How do you have food?
You were arrested in a case where a child disappeared from a park.
Oh?
What exactly happened?
I'm innocent. I have nothing to do with those murders. I was in the park because God spoke to me. I was arrested because I am the chosen one. That's all.
What about the voices, Nathaniel? Do you still hear the voices?
My bad.
We know
How
who talks to you,
unprofessional.
don't we, Nathaniel? Or we both know who talks to you.
What?
Don't speak that name.
Wait.
What does he say to you, Nathaniel?
I can't talk about it. You
I guess
mustn't
Blake's
talk
trying to
about
break
it.
him, but what good is a confession if he
He orders
does?
you to go and find new prey, doesn't he? He needs
I've got to
more
do
and
something.
more.
What's Blake looking for? Why is he pushing him over the edge?
No, you mustn't make
Better
it.
just stand
Bring
down
him
and
here.
leave Blake to it.
He told you to go and find that kid in the park.
The guy is
The boy
terrified
just
of Blake.
tormented
He
you
really
all
thinks
night
he's the
long.
Antichrist or
You
something.
wanted them to stop, didn't you, Nathaniel?
Stop! Stop! That's enough!
So you obeyed them to make them stop. You took that boy with
Blake,
you and you
what are
drowned
you
him.
doing?
Isn't that right?
Blake, what are you doing?
No!
Bro?
Stop! Stop! You killed them, didn't you, Nathaniel? Are you gonna confess, you bastard?
Why do you want me to root for a cop like...
Antichrist!
Put down the gun,
I shall
Nathaniel.
dispatch you to your father in hell. He is the son of Satan. He was sent to earth to destroy us.
For Christ's sake, shoot!
You're not gonna kill the Antichrist with a revolver, Nathaniel. He's much too powerful for that.
Antichrist, my ass! Get that gun out of my face!
Keep calm. Everything is gonna be fine, Nathaniel.
You shall regret confronting the emissary of the Lord. You shall know divine power.
Lieutenant Blake is gonna leave our planet right now and return to the
What?
realm of shadows. Creature of darkness, I do beseech you to return to the realm of shadows and leave.
I don't want to shoot, bro, because we broke the fuck into his house.
Defend us in our battle with the forces of evil. Protect us from the cunning and wiles of the demon. May God Almighty manifest the power of His empire, and may divine power cast Satan and all the other spirits that prowl the world in search of souls into the darkest depths of hell.
I'm here to help you, Nathaniel. to get rid of the voices in your head, but you have to trust me. Back away, slowly.
Please? Pretty please?
Now drop the gun. Drop it, Nathaniel.
Please? Oh, okay.
Put your hands on your head. Turn around. I shot him.
Looks like you did.
With a cross!
It was only a crucifix. Can't say I'll miss him. Come on, let's go.
I don't like Blake. No part of me likes Blake. I was actually so afraid that I was about to get Blake killed because bro was about to turn around with something. And I will say, you know how dangerous that is to do something like that with a gun trained on you? Can't say I'll miss him. That is a dead dude after you broke into his apartment. Bro shouldn't have had to die, but I had literally no idea what he was about to do. And I will say, do you know how fucked up it is to put your fellow officer in that kind of position because you want to antagonize a suspect like that? That situation would have never escalated like that if you wouldn't have antagonized him to the way that you did. Bro put me in an impossible situation because he didn't want to back off of someone who he broke into the apartment of. Ugh, okay, that's gonna be enough for right now. I'm enjoying the game so far. Made my fair share of errors so far, but I am enjoying the game so far. All right.